Today, since I'm going to be absent, I'm in a kids account, so you're going to go to your Google Classroom. You're going to click on classwork. You'll be working on the IXL ratios, rates, proportions. Here it just tells you that I'm absent and I want you to work on these assignments. You need to work on your homework journal to show your work. I need these two on the top: do ratios, form a proportion, and solve the proportion before the bell rings. Okay. To get to IXL, you're going to click on the link. You're going to click on this one, log in here to log in. And it'll take you to your Clever. Now here you should have IXL. If you don't have it on the top, like this kid, you will have it on the bottom. There it is. I'm going to hard it so she can have it on the top now. So now it's right here. So you click there. And then make sure that this tab is open from your teacher. And here's the first one, second, third, fourth. I need at least these two done by today. Do ratios form a proportion? Solve the proportion. So let me click on the first one so you can see how it works. So you'll get something like this. So I'll copy this, 6/14 equal 1/2, and then we'll just cross multiply to check if it's proportional. So 2 times 6 would be 12. 14 times 1 would be 14. So that would not be proportional because they're not equal. So I'll click no and submit. Now, if you're still having trouble, you can also click on example and they'll give you some examples. Okay. Like this example, it is a proportion. Why? Because 14 times 1 is 14. 2 times 7 is 14. That is a proportion. Okay. The way that they teach you here is they make you multiply, or you can simplify. You could also watch a video and still confused, and they'll explain there in the video. Okay. So I'm going to explain this one more time. When you log into your Google Classroom, so you go to your classroom right there, Mr. Rivera, classwork. We're doing week 3, week 5. 36 weeks, week 5. And again, you're going to click on Clever. And it'll take you there. If you don't find the IXL app, it'll be on the bottom. Make sure you click hard at it, so because we're going to be using it a lot now. So you're going to click on IXL. And where it says from your teachers, I need this one done and this one done before the bell rings, because they're pretty fast and easy. Again, all you're doing is you're going to cross multiply. You write 6/14 on your journal equal 1/2, and cross multiply. 2 times 6, 12. 14 times 1, 14. If they're equal, they're proportional. If they're not equal, they're not proportional. In this case, it's going to be a no, and she's going to click submit. Okay, if she clicks submit, it'll tell you well done. It'll give you the next one. You do it again and check if it's proportional. Pretty easy. And that's what you do on the first one. Okay. So my IXL, if you get lost, like if you're in the wrong tab, put my IXL. Make sure that you from your teacher, and I need to do the ratios forming proportion. Then you're gonna solve the proportion, and then slowly go down the list until you get to ratio tables. These two are the ones that need to be done during class. Okay. Well, I see you tomorrow, guys. There's no tutorial today.